Hey guys, welcome to Kitsy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kirby. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large curve across the top here. Next, let's leave a gap and we're going to draw another curve for the bottom. You should end up with a circle shape that's missing on the sides. And now to close off the body on the sides, let's add the arms. From the left side, let's step up and we're going to draw a curve down and back in. And the same thing on the right. Now let's move in and draw the face. Let's start by drawing the left eye with a long oval shape. And the same thing for the right eye. Next, inside each eye at the top, let's add another large oval. And next, inside each eye, let's add one more curve. And then let's color this top section in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and add the mouth next. In the center, let's draw a small curve here. And now let's add sideways ovals on each cheek. And that's it for the face. Let's move down and add the feet next. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve down, and then in at the bottom. And the same thing on the right side. Now from the bottom line, let's curve it back under the body. And that's it for Kirby. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!